My name is Mr. Pastor.
Now here you go, look.
Pastor Isaac Board is my name, and I'm a works superintendent electrical. Works superintendent electrical 2, principal working chamber 2, in the license office as electrician. I was doing to my the house I was living in two rooms, one room and parlor. I was the boys' quarter. Me and one man, himself was there. Now the president they call me just a recent. But about the question about 3 weeks or week bring a letter that the house is disfigured, that old GRA face to come on the house, if not they go come and drive us. We say we think say na small. Till before question of the thing expire. People came on Wednesday would receive about 10 motor that we should park our load come out if not this is. So during the one I was told, I asked one of our the secretary. So this is what is happening now. She said okay, then go call Bayelsa and no farm. The government say don't want to get problem with this weekend, so we should park our things and leave. So Wednesday I pack up my things, come for somewhere. Yesterday will be the final decision. I pack my things, go for outside. I carry my things, come to stay, and I go sleep for Gunabara. I said let me come and see my family for this Bennett car. That's why I'm here.
Okay, so before the demolition now, because today they are demolishing the two complex. Before the demolition, there was a notice, right?
Yes, there was a notice they gave to us about 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
That to say the house that is for the old GRA. So you don't tell the governor doesn't respond. So he give us 2 weeks. Say make we park come out. We think say na small, but Wednesday, as the police people come, that he can't resign with them. So we start to pack our load. And the load was there because nowhere to keep. So I carry some corky. Yesterday, Thursday, I carry my remaining corky for corridor. Now I said my house, my load is at one corridor somewhere. It's not in the personal room. And the Bayelsa said the government was promised us that they could give us more money to pay out. Up to now, money has not come. So come on, not good. So I'm standing.
Okay, Pastor, when this notice come, did you people get in touch with the Bayelsa state government? If
no,
you
I'm
did,
not,
what happened?
She's one of our staff here. Let me come and speak. One of the admin officers here. I never say I'm we're going to admin officer. We go secretary. We will require from them. They say the Thursday with the Bayelsa state government say, hey, there was a day they are on meeting. Saturday they go settle and we go know the large bus stop. But later on, the thing they never the army people came and the police came and said we should come out. That's who left.
Okay, so what was the reason given by the Rivers State government for the quick notice and now the eventual demolition? Say what happened for that place?
I've told you that they say that house is disfigured that environment. See, we can say don't want to see it. And they have already told our governor to come and rebuild the house. He refused. That's why I say they destroy the place. That's why I say make we come out. See one of our staff now. See one of our admin officers here.
Okay, so how many families are affected? You.
Number 5. I'm living for number 5. Number 5 we also have about 7 families, and number 9 you can testify. It's one of the number 9.
How many families in number 9?
And you come and testify.
Okay, so now that the situation is like this, what is your message to your state government? That is the Bayelsa state government.
My message that due to I'm a civil servant and they are pushing me now. I'm homeless too. When the Bayelsa state help me to give me some money to go and rent a house and settle down.
I don't know what to bring up the matter between the governor of Bayelsa State and Bayelsa governor. At the time, he said he should have that place. After that, we relate to our LO. So what's happening in this area? So LO went down. After for a while, the governor himself came to look at the area, how the area is. For us, he came. When he said you should bring down the old building and build a new structure to that place. But when you look at the structure of the house, the house is not up that you can bring the old building. That house is so very strong and solid. Even more better than the house that building in that modern time. So and the governor came and said, this building is still strong and sound. The first time the deputy governor came to check how the area is, and said, this building is very strong. He said, bus quarter will do some little work, but the building down, say, they cannot really do small innovation. The government just starting to raise money with that kind of time before we do this building. Also the staff will stay there for a while. Whenever I had to do the building, to and give people a amount of money to pay each of them to go out to us. But now we're not to do the building, we're staying. Now 2021, 2022, that matter become a matter of the demise. We started, I thought the matter of maybe they are sorry themselves. Later the government states try to make up a signboard to pin there at this place. They will come and renovate it. So they bring some zincs and fence the zinc around. They say whenever we are ready to renovate, already people are our staffs. We use about money to rent out forever. With this place, but now we stay. That's why this week, the matter after him, before he impeded the elections, the matter died down. So we all think the matter have already settled. But right now, what they start already renovating their office. That's how the government they now finished painting the governor's law. Right now, they are in the office now painting right now. This morning I went there, dirty clothes. I went there to go and see what else is going on. They are still working, but they are doing they paint a signboard. That's it. This is about the government. The so goes on. Later, April 19th of this month, I went to work and came back after 5. I saw a notice on our gates. So when I read the notice, partaking, the United government saying that this building causing a nuisance of the area. So after 14 days. We are staying there to pack out. We look at it as if even though in a mere looking at the legal way of it, whenever somebody wants to be out of the house, there will be at least 90 days for the first time. You can wait 90 days, give another 2 months again, before 1 month, before if you don't want to pack out, if you can't pay the pack out, then court will come out and pack out. When you say he will come by himself. So we just say, since we are not on our own, we now call out. Let's go see happen on this evening. We can go. Pasted all the information 5 and 9 because the letter snap note normally when the digital was it's not WhatsApp now somebody stamp and sent it to him. After that I can say we should not be panicked that the matter is between the two governments. So they say we don't have where to go. So that we should be calm. After the first day, after the 19th day, that 19th day was on Tuesday. When we didn't see anything. Thought maybe the matter have been going through between the two excellencies. So I thought we also ordinary staff staying there. One guy when I went and came back again, they say the sense of university they to go and stand places. Why can somebody go and stand up buying property? Because the sound is happening within the property. We are all staffs. So okay, well let's watch the example. We see just say hello. What's happening again? This people are seeing me go and do some snapping and everything for the staff board. When I see them from Minister of Works from River State, they say leave them, say matter will be settled. Lastly, this week or so Monday, when I went to see van line up. Van if you can run mistake, you have to use to 40 to 50, 40 to 45 vans with this River State their operation, all these code, all these things. Line up from that number 9 to number 9. Bring that 9 to the other number 5. You line up. Come on, what's happening? Because they come to 40 people. Just like that. Well, so as a wife, I'm money I mean, because I'm going to do children at school. I have 2 kids, my wife. But it's the minority next week or this month, she'll put it there. So let's go to our kids in the school. So when you come out from school, come and pack your things. Today, they will afford this house. Okay, I said, well, let me go and come back. When I went to the school and come back, I don't see any family. I said, what I say, they call the government, I say, they left back. So what matter maybe they have been settled. That was Monday. Tuesday, we don't see anything. Wednesday, they came and say, following day, they will come. How is happening again? All this while, this happened like this. The foreign governor came out. This time, it doesn't even care what is happening. Well, our governor is somebody who like peace and work with the head of the state. So, maybe since he's quiet, it's not that can talk anyhow. Let's see what he can. She cannot leave us and die for the hands of this weekend. So I was surprised. Now the small boy in River State. I want to come back. 96, 90, all the same. Just where I said I always say one. You look at this state now, there's Fifth and Lagos was to kill that. When I build up this street of this, that time things were not like that. Where so we are coming up in this state. Why this man used to, and you look at the whole GRA that building that he just passed by. That one is more better than that one we want to destroy. See, later do the big house. You see that one is better than that one. Another second do all this building. They are being old in day, but more than the first one is more being better. And
okay, so now that the situation is like this,
yes.
What is your next line of action?
My next action, as a civil servant, I'm still relying on the government of the Bayelsa State. As now it is now, I'm from that place.